Good morning! Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm back with some mukbang vlog. So this video is not going to contain everything I eat in a day. So it's a little different from what I eat in a day vlogs. It's going to consist yummy stuff, stuff that I only want to vlog about because some stuff that I eat they're not interesting at all. Just a little heads up for you guys. So right now I am actually going to go pick up some desserts. It's called Beer Papa's. I've been looking at this place for a long time on a delivery app, and it's basically a cream puff place. And I've been really dying to try some new desserts because I think my go-to is like Korean pastry place or just plain ice cream. So I picked one original shell with vanilla filling and then chocolate shell with vanilla filling, I think. What did I do? So I have chocolate shell with chocolate filling, original shell with vanilla filling, and a churro shell with green tea filling. I think that's a pretty good combination. I don't really want strawberries. I don't really want any. Actually, I do want it, but it's just too much. Ooh, strawberry custard drink. That looks so good. Oh man, you know what? Let's skip that. I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna regret skipping this, but ooh, there's mochi. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna try this too. I'll share some with Tom too. Custard drink, that looks really good. I think I'm going to just stick with these 4. Pickup time. Okay. It's going to take me about 22 minutes, and I think that's with traffic. It shouldn't be that far. It's like 3 to 4 miles, but being in Chicago, 3 to 4 miles, it's almost like a 10-mile. And it is the weekend, and it's beautiful out. Everyone is out, including myself. I really don't mind Tong working so much. I mean, like I'm getting used, of course he wants more days off, but for me, I'm getting used to it. But on a day like this, on a weekend, beautiful out, everyone's out, eating at a patio and all that, on those days especially, I really do wish that Dong could just take a day off and just kind of enjoy the weather as well. But it is what it is. I actually feel more bad than wanting to have him off and be with me. So I just picked up my order in this cute little box. I probably won't have it until I go home because I do want it cold. I might even freeze it, but I just want to check if I... Ooh, these are so cute! But I'll show you guys. Oh, these are so cute. Look at it. Oh, I'm really excited for the creme brulee one, but I see vanilla, churro topping or a crust, and chocolate with chocolate. I am so excited for this. Oh, they are cold. So I think they're supposed to be served cold, so I'm going to go home first. And I might freeze the vanilla one because oh my god, I love frozen pastries. Just gonna go home. It is very, very hot. And I am getting pretty hungry. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, I have soba at home. I am out of radish, but I do have some soba. And oh my god, I'm so excited for that. Let's go home. I was gonna look around the street a little bit more, or this area, but the parking is very limited, and this parking is permit only, and I only parked here because I was only picking up some stuff, but it looks like there's really no other parking that I could use or park at, so I'm just gonna, I think it's best bet to just go home. very, very delicious. So excited. I have a little bit of water here, but I'm going to add this noodle soup base. It's called honchuyu. Honchuyu. I think I could add just a little bit more. Usually you want to add like green onions and grinded radish. But guess what? I am out of all of them. So I'm going to enjoy this. A little bit of tartar sauce. Oops. So this one is fried cod. I got a package from like a box of it from Costco, and it's really good. It has like sesame, like black sesame and other breadcrumbs over it. It's very, very yummy. And then a Korean seaweed roll. You know how nothing is like really a full out dish? You know what this means? It means that everything is kind of like a leftover. I do have to go get groceries. I am going to go tomorrow with Tom. And then I fried one cheese ball. Try adding some. Usually you want to add wasabi. Oops. But sometimes this works too. This is a honey mustard paste. I cannot wait to have sushi. That wasabi and soy sauce, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I think I should try the original with vanilla. Now it probably look huge from this angle, but whatever. This is really good. Like the more you chew on the pastry, the bread part is really good. It's not overly strong. The The filling is not too sweet either. It's really good. I mean, there's a lot of filling in here, and I was worried that it might be too sweet, that I have to wash it down with some coffee or milk. So I did freeze it for a little bit. Didn't freeze at all. But it stayed nice and cool. Oh, this is so good. All the fillings. So the original was pretty good. Oh, this creme brulee looks so good. Oh, I can't decide. I want to save it for later. Okay, I'm going to try the chocolate one. This is the chocolate one. And I filled it with more chocolate. You know, honestly, I almost felt like the original one was kind of too bland. But I mean, it wasn't. It was like perfect for me. But this chocolate topping, frosting, wow, it's so good. Highly, highly recommend freezing it or keeping it really cool. If not, I don't think it would have tasted this good. Good morning! Hi everyone! It's currently past noon. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Getting a little hungry. I'm thinking about what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Tong should be done with work soon and he should be coming home. Hopefully by 3, but latest 4. Hi, Mr. Baby. We're most likely gonna go out to eat. I have been having a few cravings. I want sushi. Of course, I'm only going to eat cooked ones. More than that, I think I really missed the belt. So I kind of want to go to that, or I do want barbecue ribs. There are a few places like 10 to 15 minutes away from our place. My third craving is Korean barbecue, but that's like my least craving. Those are my main cravings for today, but I am going to check up with Tong as well because I know that I'm pregnant and he's been really trying to work with what I crave. But then honestly, my cravings haven't it's been like decreasing since like second trimester. I think I had a lot of cravings during first and second because like I couldn't eat certain things and only like very few specific food tasted good to me. That's why I had those cravings. But in my third trimester, he knows that my main cravings are sweets, so that's like a different topic. For our main meals, I'm okay with like having whatever he wants to eat, but he hasn't been really like he hasn't spoken up about it. I don't know why. I think he's just really trying to be considerate towards me and my cravings, but I'm really okay with anything, so we'll see. Right here, we decided to get some Korean barbecue. I think Tong was craving some. Oh, it smells good. What do you want? 차돌?
아니요, 난 삼겹살 먹어도 돼. 삼겹살 이거.
아니요, 나는 I just want 차돌 and like soup or something. 냉면 먹을까?
그렇게 해.
냉면이나 그냥 갈비 할까? 주물럭
갈비 아니면
왕갈비.
왕갈비 먹자.
왕갈비랑 냉면 먹을까?
그러자.
네. Oh my gosh. Lots of side dishes.
이거. Oh yeah.
저기 오 맛있다.
EU. EU.
Just got home. I made you ramen. When I got some treats for our night in, watching some movies and Tong's stupid show. And I'm going to finish editing but yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's mukbang vlog. Hi. Hi, bye. See you guys next time. Bye. Love you. Bye. Say bye-bye.